Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up PNC Bank online banking on PC. PNC is American Bank and Financial Services Corporation. To sign up PNC Bank online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar at the top and type in www.pnc.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of PNC. Now here you can see sign on option on the top right. Click on sign on option. Then here you can see the sign in box. Now click on enroll in online banking option down login. With that, here you'll be taken to sign up page. Now here you need to first confirm your information. To do that, first you need to enter your identification information. First select an ID type so that you can open or identify your PNC account. I am going on with social security number. Now enter the identification number. Mine is social security number. After that, you need to enter the account information. You either need to enter PNC account number or personal debit card number. After that, you need to verify your information. You need to select one of the following options. I am going on with PNC debit card PIN. Now here you need to enter your PIN. After you enter the PIN or number, then click on next option. After that, you need to enter your personal information such as name, date of birth. Then you need to create a username and password for your online banking. After that, you need to set up a security question for your security standards and verification of your account during login process. Then you need to set up the answer for your security question. Make sure that you remember your answer of your security question. Then you need to review and accept the terms and conditions of PNC Bank. Then you need to verify your identity. A code will be sent to your registered email or phone number during your PNC account formation. Then you need to enter the code sent to your email address or phone number. After that, you'll be able to sign up to your online banking. With that, you will be able to successfully use online banking of PNC. This is how we can sign up PNC Bank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.